Hello everyone, I am Upasana Taneja. So in today's video, we have this question. We are given that 2 raised to power 333, and on this side we are given 333 raised to power 222, and we need to tell which is larger. Okay, so whenever you have these types of question, can you see a pattern here? The thing is, here the base, whatever is the base here, that is the power in this second thing. Okay, so you have 2 and as the base, and here you have 2 as the power, and here you have 333 as the power, and you have 333 as the base in this thing. Okay, and we need to tell which is larger. So how do we proceed in this question? First, I will tell you this, what is the pattern here. The pattern is a raised to power b and b raised to power a. We have two things. Okay, base here, power here, and base here, right? Okay, so how do we proceed in these types of question? Whenever you have this type of thing, always take power 1 by b on both side. Okay, power 1 by ab on both side. Okay, here as well you take power 1 by ab, right? Okay, then it will become a raised to power 1 by a. Why? Because when you will multiply these two things, b and b will cancel out and you will be left with 1 by a, right? And here you will be left with b raised to power 1 by b. Okay, so now you need to actually tell the relation between these two. That means this question, whatever I have here, I can write it as 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 1 by 2 and 333 raised to power 1 by 333. Okay, whenever you have this kind of thing, always do this thing only. Okay, so now if you observe, this is what? X raised to power 1 by x, right? So this is x raised to power 1 by x. Now I will show you the graph here. I am plotting it here. Okay, so this is, how does it look? It looks like this. Okay, it looks like this graph. Okay, so this maximum is what? This maximum value is at E. Okay, and this is x. If you see here, x raised to power 1 by x means 1 raised to power 1 by 1, 2 raised to power 1 by 2, 3 raised to power 1 by 3, right? X raised to power 1 by x you have, right? So in this case, if you see till the value x is reaching to E, the graph is increasing. It is increasing, right? And after E, when x is greater than E, like E is what? 2.7 approx, right? So after 2.7, whether it is 3, 4, 5, 6,000, 1,000, 2,000, and our value 222,333. Okay, here the graph is decreasing. What is happening here? Graph is decreasing. So if x is increasing, x raised to power 1 by x is decreasing. Okay, so that means x is greater here in 333. So this value will be less than this value. Okay, greater x, lesser value, lesser x, greater value. Okay, so if it was, suppose I had the question instead of 222, it was less than 2.7. okay, if it was here 1 or 2, then you will take for greater s, x greater value, lesser x lesser value. But if you have the value greater than 2.7, you will always say the greater value for lesser x. Okay, so x is lesser, the value is greater. Okay, so I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. And if you like to watch riddles, then you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I publish videos there for riddles only. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.